3 years ago, I was flipping burgers for $9 an hour. A year later, I hit 10K per month, working around 90 minutes per day. And by the way, no fancy setups, no fancy cameras. All I had was my iPhone, my laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it and how I was able to scale it and how you can do it as well. And I wish I would have seen this video back when I started, because most people online are teaching some BS money making methods that don't work, but they're doing this instead, what I'm about to teach you. So before getting depth, for some backstory, I built a personal brand around trading. Okay, I was recording videos teaching people how to trade because I actually got some results in trading. Because of that, people found me valuable and I started selling them information packages like courses, mentorships, etc. And naturally, quickly, the personal brand started making me way more money than trading. Like literally, that's what happens for most educators online, okay? Because we get people who pay us and we get them results. So now let me show you exactly how did I do it working only 90 minutes per day. Now here's the 90 minutes per day system. And I want you to understand that this personal branding business is a type of business that doesn't require you to spend 12 hours a day, 16 hours a day on your laptop, on your computer, just to make dimes and pennies. Okay, most people online are teaching those kind of businesses that require you to spend a lot of time just to get some money. But regardless, I got to around 10K per month in a year, and I later scaled it to even more, and just by working 90 minutes per day. Step number one, content. Okay, this is where all the traffic comes in play. We need to post content to social media just to get our traffic, okay? And later we turn those viewers into buying customers, and I'm gonna show you exactly how we're gonna do it. But essentially, like I said, my first personal brand wasn't me showing you how to make money with a personal brand. It was actually trading, because I'm not a guy who just starts yapping here and show you how to build a personal brand. I actually did it myself before teaching any of this stuff. So I had a trading personal brand. I was teaching people how to trade. I was posting like 1 or 2 videos per week and also showing trade recaps, teaching people how to trade, right? And this is essential. You need to post constantly. I recommend posting every single day. And for those who don't want to show their face, listen, you can post faceless, but showing your face is more powerful, because let's be honest, how many times have you bought from someone who doesn't show their face? Probably 0 times. And how many times have you taken advice from someone who doesn't show their face? Probably 0. I would record a piece of content every single day, and sometimes just from my phone, okay, raw, unedited, talking what I was doing and what I was, how I was learning, what I was learning, and just showing the journal, okay? This is the thing. Most people think that they need to be a super pro expert to teach. If you don't have the skills yet, you can just journal. But obviously this is for the people who already have the skill. Like if you have the skill of something, then you can make a lot of money. But around 30 minutes scripting and 30 minutes recording, so around 60 minutes per day went for content. And sometimes, let's be honest, sometimes I have those moments where I already batch record a lot of videos, and then I don't need to record for a week. Okay, I can just chill for a week. You can choose how you're gonna record it, but essentially I was recording videos like this and also showing recaps, showing sessions of me trading, and I got some traction, people who want to buy from me. I didn't post, here's the thing, I didn't post videos like most people. Most people are just trying to focus on views. They try to focus on views, but here's the thing, views don't always mean you're gonna get a lot of money. Views are only good if it's targeted to your audience, who you're gonna convert into buying customers later, okay? You need to first find a problem that is solved in your life, and then second of all, start posting about that problem you solved already, and that naturally is gonna find those people who want to get that problem solved, and eventually you're gonna convert them into buying customers. But let me show you how it's done. Step number 2, I built a community. This is powerful, okay? As you can see, I had like 1.8K in my free community, and then I had a lot of people right here. There were a lot of paying clients in here, paying clients here as well. I was selling low ticket here and high ticket here, but obviously not all of these were paying customers, okay? I want to be transparent. Some of these were free, some of these were paid, okay? But regardless, why you need to build a community is because you need to get your audience to one place. It's very crucial, because here you can get access to your audience. Instead of you just posting all day and trying to get access to your audience through social media, like sending videos, posting videos and telling them what to do, you can just capture them in here and then here you can send the messages, etc., etc. And you can also, if you don't want to do this, what I also recommend is grow an email list where you can send them automations and tell them what to do. Okay, it's very crucial to get access to your audience, right? Step number 2 is build a community. This is crucial. By the way, before I move to the next step, if you want to make a lot of money with a personal brand, you want to learn everything, subscribe to this channel. This channel is new, so help the locals. It's free, by the way. Okay, but step number 3, obviously, to make money with this, you have to understand that with personal branding, we're not focused only on making money with AdSense. Yeah, I made some money with AdSense here and there, but it's not the main thing. The thing that made me the most money was me monetizing my audience. Okay, and the way we do it is that we create a digital product. The power of digital product is crazy because it's unlimited. You can sell it unlimited. There's no stock. You can just sell it to them, right? So essentially, my first info product, my first digital product was a Discord access. Let's say this is a Discord right here. Okay. I don't know what was the icon of Discord. Regardless, I had a Discord access around $50 per month. I had like 30 clients in. Later I increased the price to like $200 per month. So I was making around 1.5k, 2k per month. And this changed everything for me because this made me realize that this works. Here's something I didn't mention in this video. I didn't start 10k per month. I started selling low ticket, like I said, around 1.5k per month, 2k, sometimes 2.2, 3k, but it wasn't all that. But it was a psychological win for me, okay? But I was grinding to get sales, volume of small sales. That's not what I personally recommend. Depends on what niche you're in, but here's what changed everything for me. Let me show you. Obviously, the problem was I was doing more work for less money, more customer supports, more refunds, and more people who weren't serious. Because think about it, if people paid me $50 per month, obviously they're not gonna take it as seriously as someone who pays me $2,000 to $3,000. Okay, and the moment I switched to a higher priced offer, everything changed. Okay, because this was my first 2k day, and this made me realize that the potential of this is much higher than I thought. Okay, because I always thought I need to sell something cheap to everyone, but you need to sell, instead of selling cheap to everyone, you need to sell expensive to a select few. Okay, that's what makes you a lot of money in this business. And obviously, depending on what niche you're in, if you're a great marketer who gets a lot of views and you're in a more broader niche or niche that people don't want to pay you that much, then you can sell low ticket. Don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money with both, but I recommend high ticket, especially if you're teaching people, if you're helping them solve a problem, a specific problem. Okay, and like I said, I didn't have the biggest audience. I had like 5,000 subscribers later. Like I hit my first 10k month at around 1 to 2k subscribers on YouTube, but later I scaled it. But I didn't have the biggest audience. I had a handful of people who I worked with closely. Okay, and this proves that almost anyone can do it if you have a skill set, if you have a problem that is solved. So you need like what, 5 to 10 clients or 2 to 4 clients paying you monthly. This is like if you sell $1,000 per month, $1,000 per client, $2,000 per client. But you can also, if you're really serious about this and you really have the balls, you can sell it for 3 to 5k, 5 to 10k, depending on your expertise, right? And then you need just a few clients to make 10k. And it doesn't have to be trading, guys. Okay, it doesn't have to be trading. The reason why I started teaching people how to trade, because I got results in trading. So that naturally was the thing, that was the decision for me. And now what do? I help experts build profitable personal brands because I started getting a lot of money with my trading personal brand. So naturally, I started teaching people how to build a profitable personal brand. Okay, so you have to find a problem that is solved in your life. And if you don't have any problem that is solved in your life, it's time to get started. Okay, but here's the thing: around 30 minutes per day went to taking sales calls. Okay, I got like 1 to 4 sales calls per day, depending on the day. Some days I didn't get any. That's just how it goes. Okay, sometimes you don't get, but around 1 to 4 people joined. First of all, they applied and then they booked a free call and then profit if I close the call. Okay, because when selling high ticket, you have to understand, when you sell 2 to 5k program per person, there needs to be a process. Okay, usually they first watch your your videos and then they apply for the call. Okay, let's say this is a phone. Okay, whatever. Let's say this is a phone right here, they join the free call and then you close them. Okay, it's hard to sell them immediately like this. Hey, just pay me 2.5k. Hey, just pay me 5k and just buy my product. No, there needs to be a process, okay, that makes them more invested into it. Okay, and by the way, if you want to learn the whole system of building a personal brand, a profitable, not just a personal brand. I don't teach you how to build a personal brand, because most people build a personal brand, they don't make any money. I'm teaching you how to build a profitable personal brand. I actually put together a free boot camp walking through the whole entire thing. Okay, link is in the description. Okay, first link in the description. And also, if you want me to help you like build something like this yourself, there's a link to apply for my mentorship as well. Okay, apply for the call. And literally, I'm a transparent guy. You're literally going through the entire process yourself. You're now booking a free call, and then you're gonna buy if you want to buy, if you're serious about this. And this is what I literally teach. So I'm not a guy who just teaches some random BS shit. I do this myself. Okay, but regardless, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to. Okay, as usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.